It's not factual. Jamaicans have great customer service.
$1.
$1.
$1. I was in David's situation. Now I'm going to put myself in Goliath situation.
Yeah.
David was smaller than Goliath. And he have to use something. He use a sling and a stone and he get down Goliath.
Yeah.
But I am not David. I am not David.
Yeah, you don't know. When I get a little link, she Dominican if you come on the podcast,
Yeah.
so she might do it.
I love them, da. One of my favorite people them from the Caribbean, to tell you the truth, brother.
I kind of like them, except the thing with Dominicans now is the racial identity crisis of them face.
Because then they have one dictator where they basically fuck up things and them basically push the darker people to the back and bring the lighter people forward, give them jobs, give them red line them. You know, like the red lining thing where they go on USA with like if you have a certain skin color, all right, then put you in this area, and the two not really mix. Them do the same thing with them.
Yeah, and them kind of to the point where them not even proud for say them black.
No, them say I Dominicano.
Yeah.
I know black.
And the thing with 80 and them, but you know,
Yeah.
one of them thing there. We'll leave that part there in there. That's a good part to leave in there.
Yeah, all of it.
Yeah, why not?
All right.
People, you don't know, sometimes, you get to see how the cookie is made.
Yeah, you get yourself directly in the bakery.
Yeah, man, and, sometimes we just have a reasoning and it just turn into that. But today, it's more of a chill vibe. Yeah, man.
Davian, warm, me cook, me cool.
Yeah, I have couple of dilemmas with Tonniel.
And he has a rant.
I have a
He's
rant.
upset.
I have a rant as well, bro. I have a rant. You have a rant too, though? I have a love rant.
Let's see what we call it.
All right. Meme of the week. And meme of the week, but before, meme compilation right here, so.
All right.
Boom. All right, so your meme first or mine?
Show my meme first.
Yeah.
Go
on.
My meme might be a little discussion.
Yeah, we always have a little discussion about it.
All right. When you're ready, go up and then press.
Did you know that McDonald's no longer operates in Jamaica?
They shut down when I was a kid.
Me too. In the world where McDonald's no longer operates. First opened in 1995 and cancelled operations October 14th, 2005. So that's exactly 10 years.
And
when I was in Jamaica, I actually heard from a tour guide that the Jamaican government and McDonald's failed to reach an agreement on using local produce to make McDonald's food. This was one of many reasons, is what I realized when I did more research on this, alongside apparently McDonald's not resonating with the public in the way that KFC and Burger King did, for example.
Exactly.
The Jamaican Gleaner reports in 2000, November 29th, 2000, discussion between Content Agricultural Products and the fast food chain McDonald's Jamaica Ltd are expected to reach an agreement early next year, resulting in the food franchise using local beef as its outlets. If the deal is sealed, it would brush aside the government's shaky agreement with McDonald's, which would have seen the food chain buy about £208,000 of beef per month from local farmers and then ship it to Guatemala, where it would be processed before being returned to Jamaica, duty-free in the...
And that's why we bond them thing there. Yeah. I remember when it was back in the days with McDonald's. I have a lot of memories with McDonald's. One, remember the McFlurry?
Yeah.
Yo, I used to love that. That used to be my favorite part of McDonald's.
Hold on. No. You were too young for that, bro.
No.
How old were you?
Like
2006, 2007. How old were you?
9 years old.
I couldn't.
Yeah, man. Remember McDonald's. But the thing is now with McDonald's, when I buy the burger, remember the burger? I never used to like the burger at all. It's
too small. That was portion. No, portion sizes in Jamaica
too small
is a
for your money.
big thing. Like,
yeah,
if it's too small, no one wants that shit.
No, dog. You have to give us value for money. And what is value for money? At least make it look big. At least make it look big. Come on. Don't give me this burger where look.
Pause.
Brother, man, look for the size, man.
I would do a burger like this, not like this.
Dog.
Like this. Not like
Because my hand them can't close. David.
like this.
But you
or
even
this.
do this, David.
Yes, that's a better symbol. That
What the
like a
difference?
burger like this. No, that's not. What kind of burger you eat?
Alright, let me correct myself.
Yeah.
So the size of the burger would have maybe be like, the burger meat would be like this big.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
What is that? 3 bites and some fries and we're done.
Yeah.
That's just it.
I don't feel that was the only reason though. Jamaicans,
No, it wasn't,
Jamaicans are very loyal people. And when we find a brand that we like,
We stay with it.
no matter how that brand treat you, no matter how they raise the price on you.
We love it.
So that's why any other fast food franchise, they don't even think of going to Jamaica.
I've seen Taco Bell try and fail also.
Yeah.
Wendy's are still there, surprisingly.
How many Wendy? But how many? Even the
You have-
Subway, not many. Just like in the main.
True.
They put them in the main. They probably have like 2 or 3 just so they have the
areas.
presence.
Because look at the areas where they put them. They put the Wendy's in near Sovereign,
Ligani,
which is up Ligani side. They have another one in Barbican, that super center there.
Yeah.
That's the only 2 I know about. Subway, I can tell you.
Spring, Manor Park.
Yeah, almost Manor Park. Where this place where Bounty Killer used to live? This
Oakland.
Oakland.
Yeah.
Oakland apartments, right there. So, yeah, them basically put them in strategical places because if chances are if you own a Taco Bell in Portmore, back in that time, no success.
But if you want my KFC in the middle of
Yeah.
nowhere, that line will still be long.
And you know why KFC win over McDonald's too in terms of that aspect. The lady said they failed to come to an agreement to use local produce, and that has a lot to do with how the food tastes. It's a reason why KFC in Jamaica
It's the best.
is the best tasting KFC in the world.
Easily.
Any tourists that go there, they usually tell you
KFC.
the different. The flavors, even for example, I don't know if you know this. The barbecue flavored chicken that we have. You remember that barbecue fried chicken?
Oh, that's my
You know
favorite.
that is exclusive to the KFC in Jamaica.
Yeah?
It's exclusive to the KFC
I
chain in
never
Jamaica.
get it abroad yet. I've never get that barbecue
don't
fried
have
chicken
it.
yet abroad.
They don't have it.
And it's the best one. And
Yeah,
it has
man.
put me in trouble. But it's the one that I always have to give. If you ever buy a 3-piece, 1 piece needs to be
Need to be
Even
barbie
if that's
fry.
2 spicy piece and a barbie fry tie.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Something barbie fry, man. But yeah, it's a reason. So I think that's a combination of what made them had to leave Jamaica. You know, all of those.
When I think on it, like McDonald's is one of those companies where they value their process more than the food that they provide. In turn, such they have a process and they were like, it's easier for me to get the frozen meat and ship it to Jamaica. To make a process where I have to go and boom, ship from Jamaica to Guatemala, then from Guatemala back to Jamaica. That kind of compromise them the more logistic situation. So now they have to set up a different kind of logistics. And Jamaicans weren't really resonating with the burger culture. We're not a burger eating people. Burger King survives mainly because it's the only one, and sometimes you want a burger. And Burger King was feeling that. Jamaica is a culture of chicken and rice.
A dumpling.
Yeah. Not even dumpling. Like, how many fast food places even sell dumpling?
And you know that is very, very wrong. We do have a fast food place like that, Island Grill.
Island Grill sell
Grill
rice
is
and peas.
the only one.
Island Grill sell rice and peas.
Them sell rice and peas.
And if a man want rice and peas, to be honest, they don't really go to Island Grill. If a man
go to a street man, somebody selling
a corner
a
shop.
street vendor, a corner shop, yeah.
Exactly. So for me, I don't even like McDonald's, and I've lived in America, the McDonald's country. McDonald's tastes like cardboard.
Yeah, the last time I stepped foot in a McDonald's and eat something in there, Davian,
Yeah.
was maybe not even the last time I go to America.
Yeah?
No, because I stopped eat even KFC from high school days.
Can't forget KFC. But
We stopped, long time. KFC and Burger King, I make the effort for decide I go stop eat this processed fast food.
what? You're mad,
man,
Tony.
no,
I
no.
used to save up my lunch money so I can buy KFC on a Friday.
I used to see if I go game shop.
Well, I used to do that until one day my father show up in the game shop, and from that day I never go back to a game
my
shop.
brother.
Never go back to a game.
Hey.
That was the first time I've experienced true fear in my life. Just looking up in the game shop, enjoying the game, the happiest, and look up. Father dear standing.
Night to day, man. That must be frightening. For me, so happy, and then for just see happiness just leave your soul.
Unexpected. Like, how did he know?
Somebody tell Panya David.
Yeah, somebody snitch.
Yeah.
So one of my friends. That was my first realization that some friends you can't trust.
Yeah.
But in my friend's defense, he says he was looking out for my best interest because I was going to the game shop too often.
Well, him give you a good reason, David. Him not exactly wrong, but I think he went about it wrong. That's the problem.
Tonniel.
Did he at any moment come to you and say, Davian, look, Davian, the road that you're going down, Davian, I don't think this is the best road. Look at
Tonniel, I was 14. Which 14-year-old boy don't like video games?
All of we.
Yeah.
All of us.
And my group of friends at the time, that was what I was doing. We were going like after school, go so boom, half a tree game shop, play Naruto, some James Bond, some FIFA.
Some Call of Duty.
Yes. We're going to play games for an hour or two until the lunch money run out, because we'll skip lunch just to save the money for play game.
Yeah. Yeah.
Father said, this is what you take my hard-earned money. I felt the disappointment and fear just combined.
Oh God. Like I couldn't do it. Like I
And
couldn't
then
do
the
it.
beating afterwards was not a pretty sight.
No, dog.
Yeah?
It can't nice. That can't be
Yeah.
nice.
The drive home was extra long.
Yeah, me imagine.
Yo, never again.
Oh my
Alright.
God.
My meme of the week, and then my meme. Let me see the volume up. All right, no. My meme also tying with one of the moral dilemmas I have.
You know,
The one here.
go on,
The
go
one
on.
here.
Yeah.
My meme tying with the moral dilemma I'm up for this week. That I have for you this week.
My name's Nathaniel. I live in a small rural town in Texas. And when you last saw me a decade ago, I was in an intimate relationship with my car chase.
Is what?
Morning, baby.
Blood clot.
We're a handsome man.
Love you, baby. It was love at first sight. His body and then his interior and everything just together just seemed to fit. And I just
His
felt
body
an
and
instant
his
connection.
interior.
I just absolutely love Chase. If somewhere would happen to Chase, my heart would just stop. I just have to gather myself here. I'm sorry for all that.
Humble clan, the man a ball.
I love chase that.
Unfortunately, Chase is no longer a part of my life.
Bombo clan.
I still think about it a lot, and it breaks my heart he's not here. I felt like he deserved better. So this is where I keep a lot of Chase's mementos. The bedroom is just a special place, and I felt like that was the perfect place for him, and nice to have him close to me. The blanket's special to me because it's got a lot of his good pictures on it. Just cute stuff.
I've seen this phenomenon before.
Yeah, the crazy addictions.
One time I saw that somebody was addicted to roller coasters.
Yeah?
Not roller coasters exactly, but like big metal structures.
They have a sexual attraction to
They have
metals.
a sex. Yeah, I saw the guy go on the machine and he was just there standing and whatever, and you see him just get turned on or whatever by the piece of metal.
Do you see the one that was addicted to tuna?
Tuna,
Tuna.
but that's not a bad addiction.
Like, he was addicted. Any addiction in itself is bad.
Yeah, but compared to iron, Davian.
Yeah, but this guy would go for a date with women and he would just smell like tuna. And he would order, he'd be like, oh, she's ordering steak. He'll take out his cans of tuna and be eating the tuna.
Davian, still not as bad as the metal.
Tonniel, imagine you live and your entire diet is tuna. Your house smells like tuna. Everything is just tuna.
Well, when you put it that way, tuna kind of strong,
Tuna said this, and not the,
Tuna
not
kinda
the
strong.
American chicken of the sea tuna.
Oh my God, I hate this. Hear that chicken at the sea. Oh my God.
Exactly.
But the thing is, no. How can you help a person like this? Because obviously, this is something psychological, and I'm not laughing at the person, but it's just very outlandish. It's not the normal thing you see every day. You know what I'm saying?
It really isn't.
But how you help somebody like this? Because it look like him actually emotionally attached to chase the car.
Yeah, to chase the car.
Kiss it, hug it.
I don't know what they call it, but it's a phenomenon. And if he's in love with the car and he's not hurting anyone,
then no problem.
It's better him than me.
David.
What you want me to do, bro?
I never say if you do.
It's better him than me. Like, if I develop an addiction,
yeah,
and I'm deathly scared of developing any form of addiction, I hope it's actually one of the cooler ones.
Which addiction can be cool? Going to like Fight Club, going to...
No, that will put my life in jeopardy. I would say, let's say, addicted to reading.
But then that will carry problems.
Every addiction carries its own problem. Because I think there was once a study where there was this woman that was addicted to drinking water. Do you think that would be a good addiction to have?
No, you will drown. Actually,
yeah, but too much water in your body can cause
dilute you.
Can cause you to die.
Cells, basically, yeah.
Cause you to die. And she eventually died because the water was so self-soothing. Which brings me to my moral dilemma. This week I went to play paddle, and one of the guys I'm keeping it anonymous. You'll know who. One of the guys I play paddle with.
You guys will know who.
He was, while we were walking there to the track, he's like, Davin, if you're dating a girl, how many cats is the most amount of cats that you'd be comfortable with her having? First question, Tonniel. I said, you know what I said?
All right.
0.
Davian, cats and dogs.
Cats, just cats. How many cats?
No, but the thing is...
Oh, what's the most amount you would be comfortable with her having?
Me?
Yeah. Comfortable. Like,
listen, she can have... Listen, as long as they're not inside the house, and we're not living with them inside the house.
They're living inside the house.
Well, it can't be any... There can't be a number then, Davian.
Outside 1.
Outside 3.
Cats can't be outside here.
Yeah, they can.
Okay. So outside 3, but if they're living in the house, 0.
Egg.
0. So apparently he works with this guy.
Yeah.
And this guy's a teacher as well. And his wife is married to a woman. And her...
Wait.
What?
Wait. Your friend knows a guy.
He works with a guy.
He works with a guy that guy...
is married to a woman.
Who's married to a woman?
Yeah, he's married to a woman, yeah.
He's married to a woman.
Not my friend. The guy is married.
No, I thought you said the guy that your friend knows has a woman who is married to a woman.
No.
Okay, all right.
So his co-worker is married to this woman.
Uh-huh.
And the issue is this woman has cats.
Yeah.
This woman, she's making her mission in life to, whenever she sees a stray cat, she takes them in and she takes care of them. To the point where this man that is, let's say, my age or age group, is married to a woman and she has 18 cats.
Monkey juice. 18.
And they all live in the house.
But how you live with the 18 cat?
It's a big house.
What, the cat have a man cave? The cat have his own play area?
18 cats. She doesn't work. All she does is
take care of the cats.
And take care of cats.
Well, guess what?
Would you be able to be in a relationship like that?
So first of all, let me salute this lady. She's doing a job. She's doing something revolutionary that not a lot of us do. You know what I'm saying? As you said earlier, better she than me. Because I won't be doing that job. No.
So hold on. So if you have your woman
Yeah.
and then she's bringing one cat one
She
day.
doesn't like cats.
No, if
Yes.
one cat one day, she bringing one. Next day, two. And she start bringing more and more. How
After
many-
this, after the second day, I ask her, what you want out of life? Like, what you want out of life? What's next? What's tomorrow? What's coming tomorrow?
Until the point where it is, he's at 18 cats. He's the only one bringing in income, living in a house.
So what him do?
Hmm?
What can he do?
What do you mean? What can he do?
Because him sound like him in an uncomfortable situation. Him no want there now.
Yeah, but he loves her.
But him uncomfortable. Him love her, yes. But him uncomfortable. I'm not saying he should.
There's no comfort there. If he sits and he goes to the left, is a cat there.
He's a cat.
He's surrounded by pussy.
Him go sleep.
Pussy.
He's a cat. Him go shower.
Pussy.
What him do? Like, there's no way you can get yourself out of that situation.
What do you mean?
How?
It's me or the cats?
You going to give her the ultimatum?
Yes.
She going to choose the cat if she's a good person.
Why would she choose the cats?
Because the cats can't defend for themselves.
Well, you can. There are organizations you can give the cats up
Yeah, but
for
you-
adoption.
but-
Start bringing in more cats. Because 18 is not the end goal, you know. If she goes out and she sees
she
another cat,
But the thing
she'll
is,
bring in
David,
the cat.
she might want to open a shelter, David.
Then why not open a shelter? No, she wants them in the house.
She try to generate some money.
She wants all the cats in the house, bro.
Like homemade center. It's not something official, but you know.
So okay, you keep this house and I'll go live in an apartment by myself.
But you see now that you can't talk for your friend, David. But I feel like your friend.
This brother is not my friend. It's just a friend of a friend.
Oh yeah, sorry. The friend of the friend. I feel like this man is in an uncomfortable situation which him don't exactly want to be in. But him find himself there and he's just there.
Which means, like, you know, whenever you see the next situation where you see these things where the people have the addictions to food and stuff, the husband is always the one that facilitates it, you know. Like, he's always the one bringing in the food in the wheelbarrow or
For the cats?
for the partners that are severely obese.
Ah,
you know that one?
yeah,
600
yeah.
pound? You always see the man, good physical condition and shape.
True.
And he brings
the
in
opposite.
brings in 10 pizza for her, and then he goes and has some rice and chicken and
salad.
broccoli. Yeah, and have a salad.
Yeah. Why is it this way, though?
Because sometimes you love someone so much, all you want to do is see them happy. And if this is what brings them happiness and you can supply it, you end up doing it.
Well, that's true.
And sometimes he's probably there facilitating it so much that he doesn't realize that he's making the problem worse for her.
Yeah.
To talk to her and say, hey, honey, I think we should stop after 12 cats.
Yeah, 12 is a healthy number.
Yeah, and maybe,
You know,
maybe
I'm good with that number.
maybe-
You're good.
Maybe 8, in case you want to have a kid at some point.
Yeah, but imagine if you want to have kids.
Maybe
now.
4.
Imagine if you want to have kids. It's a complicated situation. Because, one, the cats might be a danger to the kid. Not just attacking, but, for example, the hair.
18 cats and babies won't work. And I'm pretty sure
No.
she'll justify it in some way and say, well, I guess we're going to have to find somewhere to put the kid. Tony, the cat people will cancel us right now.
Yeah, me have a friend. Me have a friend who love cats. Her name start with a B. You know
Yeah.
who? You know this cat cafe where they're on the corner?
The nastiest fucking thing. That's the nastiest thing.
My brother.
Nasty people got here, so.
My brother.
If you got nasty, you're nasty. Cat nasty. It's nasty.
Them surely will cancel we know that
I don't give a fuck. It's nasty, bro. It's nasty. What? Every time I walk past a cat, it stink.
The cafe.
It stink.
Because the cats live there, them probably do them things there somewhere.
Yes.
Might have a litter box or whatever.
Tony, it stink.
But Davian,
It's
think
a
about it.
health problem.
When you go to that cafe, You get
No. Not when me go, because I will never go there. I will never go there.
You get the full experience, Davian.
The scent.
You get the scent, you get the cafe,
You get the
you get the cat, and you get the hair.
Everybody and then finish then coffee. Airball. Them get a special cup for the airball.
Maybe that's what them like, Davian, but that's not what I like, and apparently you don't like it either.
Tony, I don't know how that business is still in operation.
Listen, anywhere where animals can dem amongst people and eat and them kind of things, me not like it. Me not like it at all. They hear them, the smell.
And cat teeth to dog.
Not all cat in Davian. Me used to have a cat named Fluffy. My cat never used to teeth.
Cat teeth, dog.
But the thing is now, depends on how you grow the cat. Even though our cat used to come from a shelter, right? He came from a shelter. We used to give him bag food, cat food. It's when you give them human food or your food, that's when them say, all right, now, Davian go and sleep. Let me lick off the cover here and thief some food.
Tony, I remember one day.
Was a cat thief.
I remember our neighbor had a cat, right? Get 2 cats. Out of nowhere because them said them have a rat problem, so they must get cats.
That's what them good for too, for kill rat.
I'm a food out there. Food up on the table in the kitchen. I come home for my food. I dream about the food. I plan for the food.
Yeah, man.
Mother said the food there, they just come for your food. Me up the road, I play a domino. When we reach at the door, I'm here is bling, 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 bling. I play drop a gun. My person, my mother or somebody drop a plate. I'm going there. The cat that not my food, you know, I'm hungry. I'm vexed. And it just run out.
You can't win.
Tonniel, I never so hungry in my life yet.
Cats are amazing, man. Yeah, and the thing is now, sometimes them can even miss a cat lift up pot.
Lift up the cover.
Lift up the cover and put back nyam and put back the cover.
Jesus.
Yes, me see it.
No,
let me tell you
that.
No, David, me go tell you the truth, David. Me see it. David, me there country.
Yeah.
Cause mother live a country. Me there country, David. And you know when you're there country, you have the outside kitchen. You know, you have the outside kitchen where you cook and whatever. That's before the house in renovate and whatever. And we kitchen used to the outside, we fridge used to the outside. Not fridge will have meat and them kind of things. But like for example, you put your yam, you put your potato, your carrot, all of them kind of things.
Jamaican and African family, them always have 2 fridge, one outside.
Yes. You know? And with the cooker pot, and me, my cousin, and like 3 and brethren them cook the pot. See? And me are the youngest man we did there. We cook the pot and whatever, the dumpling and ackee. Cause when both are run dog and a chicken and all them kind of things.
Ackee or mackerel.
You know, poor people think.
Yeah.
Don't cook the pot. And we stay so. We say we are left this for my mother because my mother owned the house. You know, when you cook a pot, you know.
You left a plate.
You left a plate.
Respect. You use a gas, everything.
Yeah. Or the cold stove. But she get her plate did there. And with the outside, you know, the man them are reason and whatever, them are drink 1 and 2 Guinness and a bun them spliff and whatever. And me remember, me hear the pot move, shift little because it's a Dutch, you know.
It's a ninja.
It's a Dutch pot.
Yeah.
I me hear the pot shift little bit. I've never paid no mind. 2 minutes later, I forget something at the kitchen. I'm going to go back. And while me I look around the corner, because you know, like sometimes, for example, when the door open, you can see a little bit inside before you actually
the crack,
the door crack, right? I'm see like the cat there on top. I'm step back. I'm see cat stay so.
Cover the pot.
I move the cover.
Yeah.
I see put him in there and start nyam.
And the whole food after that, you know.
Yeah, that's why I'm not even they make noise for make the cat run where I not because him touch your food already. It done for. And then
Tonniel, a cat there have to run.
Brother, me there about 3 minutes I watch a cat. And him nyam and whatever. Him take out him head. Cause sometimes take out him head and him look, right? Cause him know say nobody not there. Go back in. Take out him head and me see him stay so.
Cover the pot.
Cover the pot. And the cat jump down. And you know them little fancy walk and whatever.
Belly full, lip
and he walk past me. Me say some foot, boom. Kick the
You never cancel out.
dog. A real thing, Davian, them thief.
See
Them
it?
thief bad.
Imagine
I
eating.
couldn't believe that day the dog. It's a Dutch pot in the Davian and the cat move the pot. And yam,
And cover
me kid you not Davian. I saw me see the cat hand still. not lifting it up, but it's like him a box
Yeah.
it, slightly a box it, like him a play with it. You know, for box it up.
he sees the motion.
Cats are
Yeah,
amazing, Davian.
So it burned me for that brother. Yeah. Right now, I feel sorry for him. But I pray for him too.
That's all we can do.
Pray for him.
It sound like him not strong enough to get himself out of the situation.
No, him out no bad.
You can't beat them, you join them.
Him out no bad. What am I gonna do?
Oh God.
What am I do? All right. Next dilemma, man, for you. That one is more. That one is different.
Yeah.
Say you and your girl got one club,
Yeah.
and let's say a guy just bounced into her a little bit, you know, and you say, "Yo, what you doing?" And she goes, "So yo, didn't you just see that? Tonniel, didn't you just see that? Didn't you see he just hit me? This man is twice your size, bigger than you, more muscular than you."
Yeah.
And him apologize and move on, and you say, "All right, no worries." You know, apologize is accident,
Yeah, yeah.
and yeah, enjoy yourself. You have 2 beer, your girl have 2 beer.
Uh-huh.
And she see the man again. And this time, she deliberately go up and push the man.
Jesus God.
Push the man.
Yeah.
And the man turn around and say, "What's going on?" And she goes, boom, and slap him in the face.
Yeah.
And you did here stand up. You know in yourself, you can't beat up this man.
Well,
What are you going to do?
in the Bible, in that vein,
Yeah.
David was smaller than Goliath.
Yeah.
And him have to use something. Him use a sling and a stone and him get down Goliath.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But I am not David. I am not David. And the Bible also say, he who fight and run away, live to fight another day.
Yeah.
Davian, there's something, there's a tactic I have. If me and you find ourselves one day in a trouble like that and somebody bigger than we are, one person where I invoke fear, you know?
Yeah.
In the face and run.
Well, but you're running. Remember, your woman is there, and she's not running.
No, she know. If she's with me, she knows
No,
the tactic.
she wants to fight.
Listen, if she's with me, she will know the tactic of hit and run. When I hit, you start running. I will hit a second time and then I will start running.
What if she pushed the fight?
But you can't just... Davian, I can't just leave her there fighting by herself.
No, but you say hit and run. So what?
But that's the most I can do.
So the other thing is just stay there and just take your beat up.
What? No, I'm not take no beat up, Davian. Dog, I'll see you, dog. I'm not take no beat up, Davian,
No,
brother.
this man is like twice. You don't know you cannot fight this man.
That's why I say he who fight and run away, fight
so
to
you're
live
gonna
to
run
see another day.
But you're gonna run away, leave your woman there.
Me do the best we can, Davian.
Just leave her to her.
No, I'm not leaving her. I'm not going to leave her.
So
But
what you
after
gonna-
that, I'm going to make her know, say.
No, after you
What
get
you
beat
do? Davian. Would I try, Davian? Would I try?
Even if you know you're gonna lose.
Would I try? Yeah, why not try? The good thing is that I'm very agile, Davian. And if it's a big man, me say might take a little longer for throw him fist or whatever, or him foot or whatever. So I'm agile.
Yeah, but it's the club, so agility in this space to make sense.
Yeah, true. You look like a club brawl, Davian.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully somebody else join in. I can excuse myself.
Well, because if you get beat up, that's another problem, yeah.
Yeah.
Because the next time you want her fight,
She not gonna even look upon you for protect her.
yeah, she gonna lose faith in your ability to protect her.
Yeah.
The next time you want her in an argument, when she says she want a second cat, you don't have nothing. She say, "Yo, you remember when the man beat you up in the club?"
I say one thing with woman you will never forget. You will never forget what happened. They will remind you 10 times for the rest of your life. You will never forget something will happen to you.
When you say, "Yo, babes, don't do this because of it," why you never tell the man, "Don't do this"?
Woman.
The rest of your life you're done for.
Woman. My God, man. What would you do, Davian?
What would I do?
The man is a skyscraper.
Tell her the truth, Tonniel, she have to go get her beat up, you know.
You gonna leave her alone, Davian? You wicked, dog. You wicked, brother.
She have to go get her beat up.
No, Davian.
Firstly,
You can't fight the man. How she go fight the man, Davian?
better one I will beat up somebody, have to take care of the other one.
Davian.
But-
You should
but-
be the one defending her.
But at serious levels though. If I'm there with a woman that has that kind of mentality, if I'm with a woman that has that mentality to pick fights or stuff, she's not for me, bro.
No, but you find yourself in a situation. Just like how me find myself in a situation with a woman like that.
I would like to be in a situation with a woman who say, yo, even though she think I am the most powerful and the strongest man in the world, she should realize, like, come on, this man is 7 foot tall.
And me have 5'11". What me I gonna do? What me realize something I gonna do to this man?
What can I do? But it's better to go out swinging and just hope he doesn't break any bones.
If you break a bone, you have a story to tell, Davian.
I have like a dig. And next thing, she leave me 2 months later because and she go there with him.
But you can't just leave her like that, Davian. You can't leave her to get the beating.
I won't leave her to get the beating.
Can't make her get
But
the
as you
beating.
say-
Even though she started, don't leave her to get the beating.
I have to finish. No, but first, I would try to de-escalate it.
Like talk to him man to man.
I would try to reason with him.
What you would I tell him?
So she upon her period. A joke.
Davian!
That beg it out. That beg out the wall. That beg out the wall.
Don't find every excuse we can find. You know what I say? You know,
Yo.
she go doctor today and them tell her something,
Yeah.
something wrong with her and she don't know how to deal with herself.
but you know,
Some excuse.
this is what me that do, man. Seriously, me that pull him aside and say, yo,
Pull him aside. The moment you do this, him pull you.
no, me that reason with it. Me that reason with it. Me that say, all right, babe, step back. I'll handle this. I want you out there. Step back, baby. I'll handle this. And she said, yeah, my man's gonna kick your ass now. He's gonna kick your
Choose
ass.
your words wisely.
I'm gonna say, yo, you know, say, yo, she's not on her medication. She's not on her medication.
Nah, you're
and
looking for trouble, man.
she's not on her medication and she's been drinking, so it's counteracting. And you know,
Yeah.
just make her pretend me buy her a drink. Just go to the bar, take whatever you want to drink. I'll pay for it. Put it on my tab, and just pretend like me beat you up. And hopefully, it's a reasonable brother.
Hopefully, but
But to tell the truth, if I was in his position, and a man woman are pre me a certain way, I mean, I say, yo, a soft soap, I can, you know, easy. Would I never want to beat up a man like that?
no, but the thing is, all right. I was in David's situation. Now I'm going to put myself in Goliath situation.
Yeah,
I am Goliath.
yeah.
Everybody know about Goliath. Me big, me strong, and me mighty.
Yeah.
Somebody smaller than me can come want beat me up or do something to my reputation. All right, you come and reason with me. Say, all right, smaller man. You know what, such and such. All right. Listen, what just happened? I understand. She get out of control and whatever. But you go and pay the price now. $1.
$1.
$1. I have to give you $1. Just $1.
So you know,
Let me a job one for 5 seconds so we can slap you.
But Tony, you don't know it, though. Like when we go out with the woman,
Yeah.
your machismo, your bravado, all of that is amplified.
Yes.
I can look round after a man backs me and look for my woman the same way.
No, it's not gonna be the same.
Yeah,
But guess what
my
now?
hood can't stand up again.
You
Dog.
find why not?
After me would have stand up and me know say me just get beat up in front of a woman.
Davian, it no matter.
Of course it matter.
As in like
My ego.
That no, yeah, but that's just your ego, Davian. Later on, laugh about it.
Laugh about it is worse. Cause she gonna laugh when she go tell her friend them say she lets me get beat up.
But listen, there's nothing you can do, Davian. There's nothing you can do to Goliath.
No.
But Goliath offer you $1. And the problem is solved. Is either a box or a brawl. Which one?
Maybe another solution I would try to find
Yeah.
is find another person and get him involved in it.
How? No. When
Step on the next man's shoes and saw him do it.
him.
Not my, oh, it's okay. It's all right.
Are you back to square one?
Not back to square two, cause 2 people vexing me now.
Look there.
Plus, one woman I say, yo, beat his ass, babe, beat his ass.
Don't find yourself with a woman like that ever. You hear that, Vian? One way push war. And he's a peaceful man. Don't find yourself with a woman like
A
that.
warmonger.
Nah, war boat.
But sometimes you see some of them girls there.
Yeah.
You don't realize until you realize, bro.
True, until you get yourself in the situation, then you will see, you know.
Yeah. But you have to love every woman. Rant. You do have a rant too?
Kinda. But me hear your rant. Your rant sound like you have this from week.
Dog.
A few days.
No,
it's
me have
about
my rant here is a continent. My rant about me here, dog.
Uh-huh.
The rant about me here.
You rant about your hair.
The rant is about my hair.
The rant is about your hair, yeah.
Like, living here in Spain is a big struggle for me to get my hair done. So most time, I have to wear hot. I have to wear...
Yeah,
Urag.
I understand, yeah. Oof.
You know, I have 2 hairdressers here. I have to big them up. Yeah. Daniela, Miss Lou, treat me right, all this. But the issue is, because they're so good, all is booked up, and it's a distance for me to travel to get to them. So if I have to go to them, just call it to me, I lose 4-6 hours out of my day just to get me here.
You have to make a journey, basically.
Yeah. Me I lose 4 to 6.
It's a pilgrimage.
Yeah, 4 to 6 hours out of my day just to get me here done. 30 minutes to get to the place. Wait. Even if I have an appointment, I have to wash me hair, wait for the hair dry. 30 minutes back, get the hair, probably go to the other one, get it plait up on cane row. It's a journey. I lose half of my day, which is not something I really like doing. I do it. So what I've been trying to do is trying to find some hairdressers closer to me, some black hairdressers, right?
Yeah, more.
Because a white woman would never plait up my hair or wash my hair or touch it certain way. You know, put that out there straight. Me not care. Samson and Delilah. No, for those who know. Those who know. So there are some ones closer, and I realize that whenever I use them, talent-wise, they have the talent, they have the skill, right?
Yeah.
But they're missing a key component, customer service.
My brother.
And
I know what you mean.
the customer service is
I know what
like,
you mean.
whenever I step in as a black man, it's like say my money have a different color. The level of customer service that I get from them, different from the customer service that they give to the white counterparts that come in for the
And that shouldn't be the way. It shouldn't be that way, honestly.
Yeah.
But I understand you.
Where kind of just piss me off, bro. Because when I go forget my hair braid or something, or can't get some cane row, I'm going to say a white person come in there to get their hair cane row.
Yeah.
And they get a better treatment. Sometimes, I've even been in one of the shops, and they do the white person here before mine.
But this person come before you?
Come after me, and I had an appointment.
This is
one experience. I had an appointment for 10 a.m.
Yeah.
The hairdresser come 10:45.
Yeah. Black people, you know.
Yeah, come 10:45. I was out there waiting from 10 a.m. You know.
Even though appointment is an appointment.
Yeah, come 10:45. We can't forgive that. Black people, right?
Yeah.
So she's late for my appointment. I go in the shop. White woman come for her appointment at 11.
So she there on time now. So she
White woman come for her appointment at 11. She say, yeah. She was late for my appointment. If I don't mind waiting a bit more so she can do this white woman here.
My sister, it's okay. I will go.
Because her appointment is at 11.
I will go somewhere else, my sister. It's okay. You have me a wait for an hour and you want wait more time?
Just so you suit the white customer.
No, it can't go that way. It should not go that way.
I realize it's a thing with black businesses where we don't really talk about it. But
yeah,
they always say support black businesses, and I'm happy to do that, and I pick them.
Yeah,
I make the active decision if I need a service.
Go out of your way so somebody.
Yeah, but whenever I go and get the service, bro, it's never been you are treated the same as your counterparts from other cultures. You know, it's like my money don't have the same color.
I kind of understand it, Davian. As you know, I like to put myself in a people's shoes.
Yeah.
I've gotten the same treatment too. This time was when I was like 2 years ago when I was looking for somebody to do my locks for me. And I saw this certain hair studio. I messaged the person on Instagram and they said, okay, we have a shop here. You know, so come and visit and whatever. Long story short, I messaged them like a week before and I decided I was going to pass by. Just to see the place and ask them if they do locks. Because they did natural hair, but they didn't do locks.
Yeah.
So I wanted to go and show them my locks to say that, all right, look, there's not much you have to do. I can guide you, but I know you can do it. If you can do cornrows and braids and all these things, you can do my locks too. Because it's a very simple technique. It's not the technique with the crochet needle and whatever. It's just a palm roll, they call it. You get the lock here, you get the roots together, and you put the lock between your hand, and you make this movement. That's it.
Not the crochet
my
needle.
brother. And then later you put two together like a braid.
Yeah.
Right? So I decide I go to them and just show them, say, you know, I really want an appointment, even though you guys don't do locks. I enter the place. Everybody look up, then look down. So I think say somebody that come to some say, you know, man, you know, we can help you or whatever. So three girls were working and one was sitting down. Right? And I go inside. It's like a small waiting area, but then I wait there for like a minute or two and nobody no come. So I go around the side and I ask, you know, is there anybody here? Look up, look down. And then the girl in charge come and talk to me. After she come talk to me, it's almost like, it's like I kind of have to beg them for you know what I say? Even though I have locks and they do cornrows and whatever, but at least talk to me and say, hey, you know that we don't do this kind of thing. You know, we wish we could accommodate all of this. You know, use that kind of language, you know?
Yeah.
But it was like, we don't do it. We're not doing it. And we won't do it, basically.
No accommodation. It's just...
I don't like it.
It's one of them things there where...
I don't like it,
I feel... We Jamaicans, we're bad with customer service.
Very, very bad, yes.
But we are an equal opportunity distributor of bad customer service.
Yeah, exactly. We don't choose.
Everyone gets it.
Exactly.
Everyone gets it. You come in at the shop with some fried chicken and we don't have none. It no matter
we
who
not give no curry gravy.
We no matter who you be.
No oxtail gravy.
You equal opportunity bad service.
You can't get chicken. You can't get breast and leg.
Yeah.
You know, we tell everybody. We not tell one person this thing and then the next person we give them something else. No.
And that's also a stereotype, by the way. It's not factual. Jamaicans have great customer service. I personally provide good customer service to all my clients.
Do you work for a Jamaican company or a Jamaican entity?
No.
That is the thing, Davian. If you did, chances are your customer service would be a customer service of a Jamaican. We'd see how Jamaican you are.
I don't think that's me though, bro.
And look, the other side of the coin, when it comes on to treating our brothers and sisters, when it comes on to these kind of things. With the white customers, I guess because, you know, black people have a certain reputation, right? They try to kind of overcompensate for this reputation that they have, so they eventually treat their white customers better than us black customers.
Nah, I just think it's the inferiority complex.
It can be at work too.
Treat the white masters better without even knowing it.
And then the same people that go talk bad boy you outside or whatever. But they try to maybe maintain the wide market that they have.
Bro,
but your own people is very important. Because at the end of the day, you see, if any rumor is supposed to spread, say this here salon, they don't, you know, clean their stuff or they don't do this and whatever, who leaving first? The white customers.
Yeah.
And we the black people, the black customers, the ones who were there with the business from a long time, we're going to stick with them and say,
yeah.
you know, even though we hear all of this and whatever, my company this, you know, might go ask them and say, you know, are these rumors true, whatever, depending on them answer or whatever, you know. But we won't just left them just like that.
Tonniel is a sticky one because
It's a sticky one, yes.
I
don't like see it.
I don't. It pains my heart
I
every
don't
time.
like
That's
see
why I'm going to big up my barber, you know. Big up Sully.
Yeah, man, we big up Sully almost every week now. Big up Sully, man, the great Sully, man.
I never go there and not even have and get any form of bad treatment or anything.
Man, the
you
man
know?
I deal with you correct, man, yeah.
Or maybe it's just like black man hurt black woman too much and all it. I don't know that.
Maybe it can be to another vein. It's a good perspective that too, you know.
I just don't like it. Just treat all of your customers them equal. You know, make me go in there and feel. Cause one thing with me, bro.
Yeah.
I want when I go and pay for a service, I want that service to make me feel happy.
You're
Satisfied.
supposed to feel happy that I go out of my way and I spend my money with you.
And sometimes I don't feel that. And you know what? The next thing, sometimes I rather pay them in cash as well to say, you know what? I'm give you a little boss. Me pay in a cash.
Yeah, me do that.
Let me pay you in cash so you can decide what you want to do.
Yeah.
All right. Let us know in the comments while you like, sharing, and subscribing and what your experience is with it. If you're white or you're black, let us know.
You know, my wonder
service experience.
if white people give the same white people the customer service. Well, then we give them bad customer service sometimes.
Yeah,
you know,
but
them don't treat them. It's not like no, you can't say that because them do. Sometimes them treat people indifferent based on
based on discrimination. Yeah, them discriminate.
Yeah,
they discriminate more.
Not,
Me I talk about then discriminate
internal discrimination.
Yeah, the white people they're not gonna discriminate
less.
against them one.
No, it's a lot less.
Yeah,
usually with groups from outside.
At them community. Yeah. But Tonniel's tunes, I will call it a week.
You know, so you gotta stop that, Davian.
Why?
You saw me if you announce Tonniel tunes.
Yeah, but you know what? Daniel, delete that. I don't see it.
No, we are running it.
No, I don't see it. I don't Tonniel's tunes.
Alright, so this is Tonniel's tunes where I give you a song of the week. The song I've been listening to this week, you know, is a song by Outkast called Elevators. It's called Elevators brackets Me and You. So the song is singing about basically a greater future, a brighter future where me and you will be slamming Cadillac doors, you know, rolling down the streets, doing what we want to do basically on our time, our freedom. The new tomorrow.
Yeah.
How it should be. Me and You or Elevators by Outkast.
Yeah.
And let's hope it can happen.
Yeah, we can say we don't know.
Wait, before we finish. I want to end this week with a prayer.
For health and strength and daily food.
That too. This one is a prayer that I learned from one of Shehu Kuti's lives. He said, "Let not the ancestors bless us and we squander it." Amen.
We out.
We out.
Okay.
Yardman Podcast are the one. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast.
Subscribe now. We out.